Good morning, welcome back to Coss match fishing. You join me today at Timberlands fishery in Harlow, Essex. We've got a 16 peg open and I'm on peg 9. I'll just give you a little quick guide on my peg. So I've got a method chuck across here. I'm also going to fish a waggler here. I've got a short pole, shallow pole here, short pole here, and then I've got a nice edge here where this tree is. So set up quite a lot. I don't know really what to expect today. I think it's going to be a little bit hard. Let me sort of go through what I've set up. So I've got 6mm hard pellet, 8mm hard pellet, got some micros and some corn. So I'm trying to keep it as simple as I physically can. I've set up a waggler, a water waggler and a method. I've also set up for the 2+2 line. I've set up a 414s F1 maggot with just spread out shots down the bottom, and that's for a banded pellet. I've also set up a 414s, not 414, sorry, a 0.4 muddies with all the shot just above the hook, and that's on a 14 Kaizen. And shallow, I've set up about 2 foot deep a MW cookie with all the shot at the start, just at the bottom of the just below the float, and then just obviously a band at the end, banded pellet. That's on 13 Dura slip. I've got 15 Dura slip on the short line, red hydro down the edge, water waggler for a cross, method for a cross, and that's about it. £60 net limit. I'm going to start the method and see what's over there. I'm going to ping some pellets, put some bait on the short line, and feed some bait in the edge later. Match is fishing 10 till 4. As I said, we've got 16 anglers on the bank. Got my brother on the next peg, who's a little bit video shy, but he's just in there. And we've got Gerald over there, Gordon. So yeah, should be a nice day, but I think it's going to fish a little bit difficult. Probably want a little bit of wind on it, if I'm honest. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll check in and let you know how we get on. Speak soon. Right, little update for you. Where are we? It's now 12 minutes past 11. Match started at 10, so we're an hour and 12 minutes in. I fed the short line, tried it, didn't get a bite, so I've chucked the method across, and I've managed to snare 3 carp on the method. Tried a wag, but it was a bit windy. I think, because I see a few swirling about, I think probably the wag will be good later if it's not as windy. But I'm pinging a few pellets across there, and I've managed to snare 3 tight under that bush, literally as tight as I can get it. £16 on the clicker. Little jack, 2 pegs down's got 3 as well. And my brother on to my right hasn't got one yet. He did lose one, foul hooked I think. Gerald over in the corner I think's got 1 or 2. Mel has got a couple I think, right over on that side. But yeah, slow so far, but just sort of feeling my way into it, shall we say. Just pinging a few 8mm across, and it looks like Jack's got another one on. He's fishing a bomb, sort of short of the chuck, so I might try that, or even just try dropping it a little bit short. But yeah, that's your update, guys. What I'll do is I'll check in again soon, hopefully with some more fish. Speak soon. Cheers. Right, little update for you. Time is now 1:15, and this is my 4th fish, if I can get it in. It's been very, very hard. Tried the wag, tried the pole, back on the feeder again. They seem to come in, they swell, and then they have a little feed, and then they go. But the ones to be hooking seem to all be sort of fairly decent fish. Is this one ready? Everyone's struggling. Little Jack 2 pegs down is doing well. He's got a few. It's a good fish. Try not to bully it. Wants to get under this tree or under this platform. If we get his head up. There he is. Good fish. Good fish. Could be 8 pound odd, maybe a bit bigger. Nice one. Lovely carp. So let's call that one 8 pound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's about 24 pound, I suppose. 4 fish. So we're in the running, I suppose. Just need to, fingers crossed. I mean, I've fed the pole, fed the edge, fed the pole long and short. So I will keep trying it. But yeah, that's your update. We'll speak again soon. Cheers. Started getting a couple of bites again on the method. 5 plus this one. I think this is a smaller fish, and if not, it's swimming straight towards me. Still nice carp. Just decided to swim straight towards me. Come in nicely. Good lad. Decided to leave my over trousers at home, so I'm getting nice and wet. £3-4 maybe? £3. Keeps it ticking along. So what we got? Get on £3, £34. Again, just on the method. I see one swirling over there. I fed pole lines again. Put a bit more bait down the edge for later, just under that tree there. They seem to be coming in spells, but saying that, I can now. Whoops, that's tangled. They're sort of coming in spells. Get a few bites and then you can't get a bite again. You have got to get it tight though. And that's not quite as tight as I was, but that should be alright. Fingers crossed. Trying my best not to move the feeder, as they say. The bites that I'm getting a drop. Oh, that might have took it. That's literally took it on the drop. Wow. That's not even settled and it's gone under. Gone round. Not bad. A few fish might have turned up there. Really wanted to catch on the pole today, but obviously if I can only get them on the method, then I'll stick to the method. It's a good fish. Sort of wobbling in. Good fish. Good fish. Don't know how he actually got that in time. It only just hit the water. It's got to be £8. Anyone's money. Definitely. But yeah, that's your update. I'll check in again soon. Cheers, guys. It was time for a little update for today's video. It's not exactly fast and furious. It's 2:15. Match finishes at 4. I've got 7 carp. I haven't got a bite on the pole, not one. Fed the pole lines all day, not had a bite on it. Roughly got probably about £40. The only place I can catch is the method, tight across. I've tried a wag, nothing. Tried the pole shallow, nothing. Fed the pole down the edge, nothing. 5 metres, nothing. So the only place, as I said, is the method line. My brother's got a few next to me, 4 or 5 I think. So I'm still a couple up. Jack's I think got 5 or 6, 2 pegs down. So he ain't doing too bad. He's got another one on now. So yeah, he's doing well. For an 11-year-old, he's going to be something special for the future, I would say. But yeah, bit of a tough match today. Couple of hours left, and hopefully they'll turn up on the pole line, fingers crossed. I'll check in again soon and let you know how it's going. Cheers, guys. So we've got another fish on now. Carp number 8, if I can get it in. Just boiling it on the method, just chucking it and waiting for it to go around. There's obviously fish over there, but they're not, don't seem to want to come in on the pole, but I'm feeding the edge. The edge and the pole swims, 5 metres. So hopefully, can't get this one out. Hopefully they might turn up later. Hook's right in the corner of his mouth. £4 or £5 maybe, £4, something like that. Hopefully it's going to keep going around now. Might have turned up again, might have a little rush of them again, fingers crossed. But the weight is slowly building. Just fishing a little krill and tuna wafter. Some sticky micros. And what I've done is I coloured some of them. So I've got a little mixture of colours. Right, that's your update. 1, 2, 3, 4, £46. See how we go. Cheers, guys. Right, so that was it, Timberlands. So I drew peg 9. I set up a short pole, a long pole shallow, down the edge, hybrid, and a waggler. Not caught on the waggler, too windy. I've caught 7 carp on the hybrid, tight across. I've come in short on the pole later, about 6-7 meters, 6mm hard pellets, and I've hooked and lost 3 fish. I recently changed to 15 Dura slip. Now I'm looking, one of them must have been over £15 that I've lost. I think it was trying to make a trip to another county. Literally, that's stretched forever. So maybe the elastic was a bit light, but bad angling. Obviously, I've lost it. Hook pulled out. So I've done 3 on a pole, got 1 in, and I've weighed in 55 pounds and 1 by section. If I'd landed what I've hooked, I probably could have won the match. I mean, 80 odd pounds won the match. But no, overall, it was an enjoyable day. A few lessons learned. It did fish difficult. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. I didn't get a lot of footage today. It was a bit difficult with the wind and the rain, etc, etc, but I tried to sort of film what I could. And yeah, any thoughts on pole elastics would be great for that sort of short work, sort of 6-7 meters on the deck. But yeah, hope everyone was well, and speak soon. Cheers.